Man, Grinch, what are you doing? What are you out here doing? That I got y'all to myself. I don't know if y'all noticed this, but Lonesome ain't had me in the past couple of videos because he been hating. Lonesome being a hater. So you know what I had to do? I had to go upside Lonesome's head a couple of times and snatch his chain. On top of that, and for all of y'all that want me to have a good day, be pleasant, be happy, well, check out what happened today. We wasn't a mile apart, and we seen 3 rollovers within that mile. Now I stare out the window all day, so I see it firsthand. And y'all want me to be pleasant? Y'all must be joking. Y'all are joking. Anybody that think I should be pleasant gonna get the same thing Lonesome got. The same exact thing. Man, Grinch, what are you doing? What are you out here doing? I go in the back to take a break for a minute, and this what you doing? And the man got my chain on. This man tripping. Grinch, hold on. Y'all, hold on. Wait, stop. I gotta pause because I'm finna do something to the Grinch. I step away for a second, and this what you do? You go and talk to the people, talk behind my back like that? That's what you do? And you got my chain, man. Give me my doggone chain. Hold up. I know he been out here talking about these rollovers we seen, because I know he ain't said nothing positive to y'all. Ain't you, Grinch? Ain't you been doing that? Now he want to act. Now he want to be quiet. Now he want to sit there and be quiet because he done got caught. I can't step away and take a break for a minute without you being up to no good, bro. Anyway, y'all, yeah, it was 3 rollovers, but this man here tripping. Y'all just have to watch the video because he tripping right now. Don't even look at me like that, bro. Don't even look at me. Look at them. Don't look at me because them the ones you was talking to, so look at them. You got anything else to say to them? Oh, now you don't want to talk to him. You want to hit now. Now you want to hit. Yeah. They already know what time it is. They know what time. They know what time it is. Put your face to the camera. Show you how the Grinch did Lonesome not too long ago. Put your face up. Put your face to the camera, man. Sit out. Good Grinch. I ain't teaching him to be abusive. I ain't abusing the Grinch. I ain't abusing the Grinch. Okay? Good boy. Good Grinch. Just wait till this camera go off. Bye, Grinch. Try the trailer. Two of them ran off the road. Hotshot. Hotshot, man. Not even a mile down the road. I just recorded those 2 tractor trailers. I'm at mile marker 61 now. That's not even a mile. That's 2 back to back. Man, it's crazy out here. It's because of that wind. That's what it is. This wind out here is bad. But there it is again, y'all. Not even a mile apart. I just recorded those 2 tractor trailers turned over.